Catching awesome fish like this is pretty rare. In order to succeed, a lot of things need to go right. First, you need to get close enough for a shot, like this. And then you need to have good aim, like this. But a lot can go wrong as well, like not realizing that your safety's on, like this.
Fuck! Fucking safety! Fuck!
Or scaring the fish away before you can even pull the trigger, like this. Or just completely missing the shot. And not all fish are created equal either. Some are more delicious than others, and some are more elusive than others. This fish is pretty easy to catch, and they taste okay, but there are plenty of other tastier fish out there, like this one. And not only is it one of the most delicious, it's also one of the most elusive, making them a prime target. And right now, I've got a clear shot on a big one, but my f***ing safety is on. And by the time I get it off, I scare the fish, rush a bad shot, and f***ing miss.